Look at this video. A plane flying from Chennai to Mumbai, the Digital Scholar logo floating behind it, earth colors, green, blue, city pins dropping, smooth, cinematic, professional. I made this without writing one line of code. I did not open YouTube tutorials. I did not hire a developer. I did not touch Premiere Pro. I just talked to a tool in plain English, and it built the whole thing for me. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how. The tool name, the prompts, the conversation, screenshot by screenshot, word by word. If you are a marketer, a student, a founder, a creator, even if you are 12 years old and just got your first laptop, this video is for you. Let's go. If you are new here, welcome. I am Sorav Jain. I run EcoVME Digital, a marketing agency in Chennai. I also run Digital Scholar, an institute where we have trained more than 375,000 students in AI and digital marketing. And I've been doing content on Instagram and YouTube for over a decade. If your friends sent you this video, tell them thank you, because what you're about to learn today will save you months of confusion. Hit subscribe before we go further, because this series on AI tools is going to be one of the best things you watch this year. And one quick thing before we start, I've put this entire Claude Code workflow, every prompt I typed and every step I took to build this video into a complete step-by-step PDF guide, so you can do this yourself without rewatching this video 10 times. It's free and it's waiting for you inside my WhatsApp community. The link is in the description. Go grab it now, then come back and follow along. Okay, let me explain Claude Code to you. And I'm going to explain it like you are 12 years old. Because if a 12-year-old can understand it, everyone can. You know how in school, your teacher asks you to write an essay and you know what to write, but you hate writing it out. So you wish there was a robot who would just listen to what you wanted to say and then type the whole thing for you. That is Claude Code. But instead of essays, it writes computer code. You just say what you want to happen in normal words. Like, make a plane fly from Chennai to Mumbai on a map, and Claude Code figures out all the technical stuff on its own. Now here is the part that makes it different from every other AI you have used. ChatGPT, it gives you code, you copy it, you paste it somewhere, you hope it works. Claude Code, it lives inside your laptop's folder, it reads your files, it writes new files, it runs the commands, it checks for errors, it even opens the video once it's done. You never leave the chat, you never touch the code. Imagine having a junior engineer sitting next to you. You tell them what you want, they build it, they fix it, they show it to you. That is Claude Code, and the best part, this junior engineer works 24 hours a day, never gets tired, never argues, never asks for a salary hike. And if you are a student, listen carefully. The moment you learn to direct AI tools like Claude Code, you become more valuable than a fresh graduate who only knows coding, because you can think, you can communicate, and you can build. That combination, unbeatable. Before I show you the demo, I need to explain one more tool quickly. The tool is called Remotion. You know how PowerPoint lets you make slides and then you can add animations to those slides? Remotion is like PowerPoint, but for videos. And instead of clicking buttons to animate things, you describe what you want and the code makes it happen. So when I said make a plane fly from Chennai to Mumbai, Claude Code used Remotion to build that animation. Remotion is the canvas. Claude Code is the painter. You are the art director. Now, let me show you exactly what I did, step by step. I opened Claude Code inside my project folder on my laptop and I typed this. Use Remotion best practices, make a new composition, add a map, smooth zoom out of Chennai, then animate a line from Chennai to Mumbai. Camera follows. Use easing curves, 7 sentences. No technical words, no code, just what I wanted to see on screen. That is the whole prompt. Now here is what most people expect to happen next. They think the AI is going to say, sorry, I need more information, or give them some broken half-finished code, or ask them to install 47 different things first. That is not what happened. Claude Code came back with 4 questions before writing a single line of code. Question 1, how should the map look? Question 2, what output dimensions for the new composition? Question 3, how should the Chennai to Mumbai route be drawn? Question 4, how should the camera behave while the line draws? Read those questions again. That is not a confused AI. That is a smart teammate clarifying before building. Think about what just happened. I gave it a rough brief. It asked the right questions to make sure the output was exactly what I wanted. No developer I have ever hired has done this so cleanly in the first 5 minutes. I answered the defaults, hit enter, 2 minutes later, first version. Ready. I want you to pause and think about this. 2 minutes. From brief to first draft, that is the speed of 2026. Now the real magic starts. This is my favorite part. I want you to understand something before I show you the conversation. A movie director on a film set does not pick up the camera and start shooting, does not write the dialogue on the spot, does not operate the lights. When using Claude Code, you are the director. Claude Code is the entire production team. Here is exactly what my conversation looked like. I said, change the dot to a plain emoji. Claude Code did it immediately. I said, make the map look like Earth, green land, blue water. Done. I said, add the Digital Scholar logo behind the plane, connected by a string. I said, make the plane bigger. Make the string look like it's wobbling in the wind. Done. Every single instruction, plain English, one sentence, no Googling, no syntax errors, no Stack Overflow, just talk. Done. This is the workflow. Now let me tell you something important, because I see people make this mistake all the time. When something is wrong, do not say this is wrong. Say specifically what is wrong. Instead of the animation doesn't look good, say the plane is moving too fast. Slow it down by half and add a slight bounce when it lands. The more specific you are, the better the result. Let me show you a moment that happened exactly like this. I finished all my edits. I told Claude Code to render the final video. It said rendering now. I waited 2 minutes. I went to my downloads folder. I couldn't find the file anywhere. I typed 3 words only. I didn't get the output. That's it. 3 words. What happened next? Claude Code ran the render command again on its own, showed me a live progress bar in the terminal, found the file in a different folder, told me the exact file name, the file size, even confirmed the video length, then gave me the command to open it. 1 click. I did not learn a single terminal command. I did not understand what FFmpeg is. I did not navigate any folder manually. 3 words, problem solved. This is not autocomplete. This is not a search engine. This is an engineer doing the work for you. And here is the crazy part. This conversation I just described, it took less than 30 minutes total, from blank screen to finished video. Watch this. AI just built me a motion video from 1 screenshot. I opened Claude Code fresh session. I have 1 screenshot sitting on my desktop, a BuzzFeed article about Rishi Jain and me. I paste the screenshot. I type 1 prompt in English. That is it. That is my entire input, Claude says. I'll find the screenshot first, then build the Remotion video. It goes to my desktop on its own. No upload, no drag and drop. It searches by recency, finds the file, confirms the name, confirms the timestamp. It checks node. It checks NPM. It reads the environment. Then it starts building. From zero. No project existed before this moment. It creates the config files, the structure, the entry point. Then it writes the actual Remotion code. Root, composition, everything. It finds a bug in its own code. A missing export, it fixes it immediately, without me saying anything. Now it installs dependencies. Remotion, React, all of it, before the full render. It checks the layout first, renders 2 still frames, first frame, last frame. It reads both. It approves its own work. Full render, 1920 by 1080 MP4, done. Look at that. The names are highlighted. The article card, the layout is clean. No Premiere, no After Effects, no editor on a call. 1 prompt, 4 minutes. MP4 out. I did not write a single line of code. I just typed in English. That is Claude Code. That is Remotion. That is what 2026 looks like. We covered a lot today. Let me give you the fast recap. Claude Code is an AI engineer that lives in your project folder. Remotion is the tool it uses to build animated videos. Your job is to describe what you want. In plain English, like a director. The first prompt is just a starting point. Iteration is where the magic happens. Setup takes less than 5 minutes, and you do not need to know a single line of code. Who is still hiring editors or developers for work that AI can do in an afternoon? You will change how they think about building things. That is the mission. Not just to use AI, but to help the people around you use it too. That is what Digital Scholar is built on. That is why I make these videos. That is why you are here. See you in the next one.